You have to wait. Get us ready. Sit, 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 sit. Right there. Just wait. That's done. It's okay. Okay, so now what we gotta do so I've got the ingredients. Hydrogen peroxide, a quart's worth, so I'll measure that in this. A quart of hydrogen peroxide, quarter cup, just wait, quarter cup of baking soda, like that, and a little bit of dish soap, and then some extra stuff to see if we can use that as well. Oh, and gloves. Oh, and the poncho. So I got latex gloves. I got hydrogen peroxide, more than a quart's worth, but anyways, a quart's worth. Quarter cup of baking soda, some liquid detergent, Listerine for afterwards, because Laura Shen said I should use Listerine. And at the pet store, Amazing Knockout, which is a treatment for afterwards, industrial strength, the heavyweight of odor eliminations, blah 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 blah. Latex gloves, and I got a poncho. I'm gonna go get the poncho. Come back. Wait there, quick. Stop whining. Wait. Okay, so apparently poncho was in here the whole time. Alright, so this is not going to be fun. First of all, I'm getting this thing on this heat. You're a pain in the ass, you know that? I know you're trying to protect us. You do not go. Hey, shush! Just wait. Just wait. I'm guessing she was trying to protect us from the skunk across the street, but she should not have gone across the street. Okay, where's the opening? Can you help me there, Cricket? Okay, got it. Yeah, so this is a wonderful fashion statement. Okay, crap about that. Latex gloves. Cricket. You're not going anywhere. So, glove. One size fits all. We'll see about that. And how durable are they? Got them at Rexall. So far so good. Okay. Quart of hydrogen peroxide. Oh, protective thing. Quart of hydrogen peroxide. Yes, hold on, Cricket. Hold on. I know you're not comfortable. You gotta get rid of this. Okay? And you're not going inside for a bit, let me tell you. You're gonna go in your pool and have a nice swim. After we do this. quart. Apparently. Okay, and now. Yes, girl. I know. I know. Quarter cup of baking soda. Okay. Boom. Got that. Stir it up. Actually, I guess I'll put that in there. There we go. Okay. And a little bit of dish soap. Stir that up. And I guess I'll start administering this, huh? So come here, Cricket. Come here. Get inside your pool. Come here. Get inside the pool. Come here. Cricket, no. Get inside. No. And this is the problem. Come here. Come on. Get inside. Okay, sit. Good girl. Sit. My God, you're weak. No time to waste this. Gotta be careful not to get this in her eyes. Right? Or your mouth. You're a good girl. Good girl. I know you're protecting us. You're a good girl. Good girl. We're washing you, okay? Getting this off of you. Stinky smell, okay? Okay. Still that. Yeah, that's okay. Shake it out. Whew. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Don't get mad at her though. She was just trying to protect us from a little kitty. Okay? Skunk. You got it? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You guys stay. It's not too warm, is it? No, I know it's not too warm. No. Let's soak. Okay, wet. Don't shake yet. Did you get it in your face there? Hmm? That is real watery. It's working. Seems to be anyways. But I could be going into olfactory, what is that called? When your senses start to go, turn off. Olfactory fatigue. You're overwhelmed with the smell. Eventually it doesn't smell anymore. Well, apparently that's because the old wives' tale, not because, but the old wives' tale of tomato juice, tomato juice. People say it worked because after a while they stopped smelling it, but it wasn't because the smell was gone, it's because they had olfactory fatigue, which means your smelling sense was an overload and just turned itself off. And I thought, well, the smell's gone. But nope, it doesn't work at all. But everybody's swearing by this, so we'll see. I'll tell you if it works or not after we're all done here. The thing is, bathing her inside would be impossible because she cannot stand the bath. She likes her little pool. I mean, not right now. Hey, sit. Sit down. Yeah, here. Come here. Let's fly in. Let's see what happens now. Sit down. Let's get this off now. Okay? No, come here. You have to come here. Come here. You have to rinse this off. Come here. I know it's cold. Come on. Be a good girl. Okay? Come here. Well, that stuff is not meant to be on there. Come here, Cricket. Inside. Come here. Come on. Need more. Need to wash you off. Come here. Come on. Cricket, no. Come here. I'll get the hose. You don't want the hose. Come on, get in. No, we need more. Come here. Come on. Get inside. I know, don't. Come on. Stay. Sit. Stay. Just wait. Wait. Come here. Cricket. Get in there. Hey! Come here. No. And now she's taken off. Come here. I gotta finish. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. No. Come here. Cricket, come here. Okay, I'm gonna bring it there then. Come here. Come on. Come here. No. Sit. Hey. I see this one by a lot of fun. Sit. Stay. Okay, that's the water. Take it, you can fall down. Come here. Sit. Come here. Come here. Oy. Well, the collar's going back on for sure. Come here. Yeah, I know. Come here. Come here. Cricket, just stay. You're not going to win this. Okay, good girl. Come here, come here. Get inside here. Lie down, lie down, lie down, lie down, sit down. Okay? Good girl, good girl. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, go ahead. Shake, shake. You want to shake, go ahead. Okay, shake. Come here. Okay, yeah. Yep. Stay. Okay. You got water, look. It's nice water. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go in. Go inside. Inside. No, not that. Come here. Oh yeah. Tons of fun. Come here, come here. Good girl, good girl. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Good girl. Can you lie down? Can you lie down? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Nice, good girl. See? That's nice, isn't it? Okay. Stay, stay. Can you sit down, Cricket? Sit. 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 Lie down. You lie down? Lie down. Good girl. Good girl. Sweat in my eyes are wet. I know. I know it's not fun, but you know what? I gotta get that off. Okay? Okay, be a good girl. Okay, sit down. Cricket, sit. Get in. Good girl. Lie down. Lie down. No, no. Good, lie down. Cricket. Get inside. Good. There you go. sit. Yeah, sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Okay? Into this for a minute. Just for a minute. Come on. Wait. Let's put it back up there, please. Here. Stay here. Come on. Yeah, you're not going inside, so you can forget that. Come on. Yeah, go hide in the chair. Oh boy. Yeah. How long has this been going on for? I have no idea. I'll tell you what, it's not fun. Come here, Cricket. Cricket, come here. Oh, man. Yeah, Cricket, if you want to get it off, you got to come here in the water. You want some water? Look at your pool? Come in your pool. You're not swimming. Oh, my eyes. Cricket. You better not have gone in the bush. Cricket. Cricket. Get out of there. Come on. Cricket. Cricket. Come here. Come on. Out. 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 Let's go. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Want to go inside? Come on. Let's go. Hold on, Nico. Come on, Cricket. Yeah. get all dirty again?
Where was her pool?
Hmm?
Where was her pool?
Oh, I bought a new one.
You got a new one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you went out of town?
Stay there, because she's going to shake everywhere. Okay, go shake, go shake. Shake. Don't let her in. Do not let her in. No, Cricket.
Go.
Come on, sit here. Come over here.
It's better if you give her a bath and tomato juice.
No, it's not. Doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
No, that's just an old myth. What works is what I bought. I bought a bunch of stuff. That's what works. It's ruined. No real cup. Anyways, we'll get back to this once it's all done. But when she's a bit dry, apparently we use this knockout stuff. Yeah, this is basically when she's dry. This knockout, whatever, eliminates the odor. We'll see. Hopefully this stuff did a good job.